wonderful Rolls-Royce coming up here. This is going to be lot number 170. This is the 1930 Rolls-Royce Phantom 1 Torpedo Transformal Phaeton with Coachwork by Hibbard Darrin. Now this is a car, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely marinated in history from all angles. This particular car was a gift to the 20th century film icon Marlene Dietrich. It was given her by Paramount Studios just around the time she started production of the film Morocco, in which she starred with Gary Cooper and Olaf Monjou. This car actually appears in the final scene of that movie, and Marlene Dietrich and her Rolls-Royce, as we see here, was often photographed with this car. The pair represented the absolute pinnacle of style, elegance, and celebrity in their heyday. Now it's the especially attractive convertible Phaeton design, very, very unique design features and components, including the trapezoidal side windows, as you can see there, that you don't see on just about any other Rolls-Royce. Notably, all of the major body components of this car are made out of aluminum alloy, which is quite different than a lot of other Rolls-Royces of this era. It's also understood that there's only one other car that received such Coachwork by Hibbard Darrin. That car actually went to Jack Warner, of Warner Brothers, so therefore both of these sensational cars are inextricably intertwined with the finest names in Hollywood in the 1930s. Now this car had a fantastically detailed restoration, as is quite obvious from looking at it here on the stage. This restoration took place in 2007, and the idea being to return this important Phantom 1 to the full expression of its elegance. This work was undertaken by Rick Hamlin's Classic Bodyworks, and I think we'd all agree the result is quite striking indeed, and has been validated by multiple best-in-class wins, including in 2013 right here at Amelia Island, and some best-in-show wins to its credit as well. I think we can all agree that it's one of the most exciting and historic Phantom 1s in existence.
Thank you, David. It is a great honor to offer this car. It really is such a spectacular example of its breed, such a wonderful history. The car is, trying to for it will be in transit. I'll help you again with that one. Hard to fault in any way. I love your phrase, marinated in history, David. That really sums it up. Where should we start this? 300,000 started, 300,000, 300 I have, 300, 300, 320, 320 left, 320, 320,000, 350,000, 350, can I say 80,000? 350,000, 350,000, at 350, 350,000 now, 350, 380, thank you, 380, now we're up there, 400, 420, 450, 480, $480,000 now, 480,000, 500 now, 550, 550. $550,000. At 550, we're going on, sir. 550, I hold it to my right at 550,000. Is the more, $550,000. We're waiting at $550,000. At 550, would you like 80? At 550,000. At 575,000 on the telephone. Against you both now, 575,000. At 575,000, 600, he says straight away, 600, thank you, 600, 600 now, at 600,000, we're holding, 625 on the telephone, 625,000, the bid's at 625, live on the phone, at 625, 50, 625 it is there, do you want 50?
She said they'd call. So she wanted us to wait.
50, 650. $650,000. $675,000 now. $675,000 the offer. At $675,000. That's the offer on the telephone. It's against you both here. At $675,000. At $675,000. We'll take the bid here at $675,000. I see you. At $675,000. Then I'll sell the car at $675,000 unless I'm offered more. Either of you can come back. Beautiful car at $675,000. Absolutely nothing that you need to do that except go and show it. $675,000. That's the bid. Good luck. Your car. Thank you. 974. Well done. Great, great car.